looking at him, I think I'm in love with him. I can't sleep, I can't eat, and I think they deserve better than me.
Hey, who pooped in my bag? Orange peels, eggshells, and a rotten cabbage? Someone's gonna pay for this.
Oh, I can't wait for the stores to open. I want to buy it all and post over there.
Don't you think we should keep
Onto these, I'm gonna spend it all in no time. But who can I trust to keep these babies safe?
Well, your buddy Benny, of course.
Okay, I suppose you earned it. It's really important. Are you sure I can trust you? I need a verbal yes or no.
Don't worry, TC. I'm the best at hiding things.
Well, as long as I left you the easy part, I'll do the most difficult, dangerous, important part.
Sure,
I'll do the most difficult, dangerous, important part.
Sure, TC. And what's that?
Reservations.
The French are glad to die for love. They delight in fighting duels. But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand, maybe.
Ah, what a night. Although, you sure we should be out so soon after our heist, TC?
It's called hiding in plain sight. Another round of milk-teenies, and get some salmon bits for your And back to that hiding issue. Where did my Benny? Did you know that Mr. Big owns this nightclub?
Yes.
Ah. And me this?
You didn't ask.
I can explain. This was all a misunderstanding.
Like what you see, Cat?
Are you kidding? Oh, we can work this out.
Yes, we can.
Oh, I love water slide.
Work this out, but I'd rather...
I want to be straight with you. It was it.
Were you paying attention?
I actually had something in my eye, so I missed most of it. Could you show us again?
We understand. Shoved into the bottomless pit? Bad. Mr. Big? Very bad. Well, glad we could work this out. Thanks, boys.
My gang runs all the crime in this city. It's allowed me to collect treasures from around the world, but none of them are as rare or as valuable as those diamonds. Each one is worth millions. So I just need to know the rest of my diamonds!
No! Right, the begging and screaming.
Now go get my diamonds! Yeah!
Gee, Top Cat, I really wish you had asked me if Mr. Big owned this club.
Me too, Benny. Me too.
Well, don't just stand there. Hand over the diamonds, cats.
Yes, the diamonds. Benny, be a dear and help the gentleman here pulling the floorboards and digging the diamonds out while I sit and rest for a moment.
Digging them out?
So fast. I'll be the one doing all this sitting here. And you dig the stones out. What? Get me out of here!
Grab the stones and let's scram! All right, you hid them in like a secret compartment?
Yes, I hear you too. You're no good, miserable piece of scum. I'm gonna make my living out of you. You're making it harder on yourself, you pathetic furball. Panther! Rat! They're getting away!
Gone! They are good! I have trusted you with something so important! All my dreams vanished. I was so close!
What happened, boss?
Took you long enough. Get me out of here! No, wait! Get those cats! No! Search for the diamonds! Oh, do something!
Night!
Not only am I gonna get killed, But I'm gonna be a poor corpse. I'm gonna be so... oh, hello, Mrs. B.
Oh, dear. Why is our furniture running away?
No, Ma, they look at...
Balloons, they're pirates. You know how it is with them. Always the looting and plundering.
Oh, goody. I hope they finally take away that blasted sofa of ours.
Yes, seems that would take a while. Maybe we should let them do their job.
Oh, that's fine. Tonight is bingo night, and I've made some extra dough, and I wouldn't mind doubling tonight. Want to come?
Hiya, officer. The door was unlocked, so we let ourselves in.
The door wasn't unlocked.
It was after we hit it a few times with a shovel. But enough witty banter. You got a pretty little, miss...
Stole from Mr. Big.
From my point of view, it doesn't count. It's recycling.
This is huge, huge. You guys are gonna help me catch Mr. Big. I mean, Mr. Big.
Look, it's us.
Reward these guys. $50,000.95.
Don't worry. Officer Dibble here will protect you. If anything happens, be afraid. I'm sure you won't have any problem.
Buddy. All right. Good morning, everybody.